Maypen's Mayor Winston Maragh has taken the COVID-19 vaccine. His inoculation brings to an end an interesting episode in which the official declared he was suspicious of the vaccine. Dwayne Anderson has more in this TVJ News follow-up.
This was Maypen's Mayor Winston Maragh in December last year at a function in Chapelton, Clarendon. He was the first elected official to publicly express suspicion about the COVID-19 vaccines.
We understand that there is a vaccine out, more than one vaccines around. But, you know, sometimes when something new come out, you can't just run into it because you don't know what effects it might have on you. So we want the big countries, them like America and Canada and England, go ahead and take the vaccine and let us see how it works for a little while before we rush into it. Not true? Yes. That's the safest thing to do. Yeah, so after that now, I will say, yes, it's working. Everything good for those people. Then next year we can say, all right, come our time now. We're ready to take it, eh?
The mayor's comments at the time were seen as potentially damaging to public confidence in the vaccine. But fast forward a few months, and the mayor is among the first to get the vaccine in Clarendon. He got the jab at the Maypen Hospital. We asked Mayor Maragh what made him change his mind about the COVID-19 vaccine.
When I looked around and I see a number of cases that we have been having, and the cases have been spiraling in Jamaica, I think it's the wise thing to do is to ensure that we protect ourselves from this dangerous virus.
3 other councillors from the Clarendon Municipal Corporation joined the mayor in taking the jab on Wednesday. All 4 men are in the aged 60 and older category. At the time when we spoke to them, none of them reported an adverse reaction to the vaccine. Health officials in Clarendon say over 1,000 persons in the parish have taken the vaccine since they began inoculation. The mayor in the meantime has called on Clarendonians and other Jamaicans by extension to take the COVID-19 vaccine.
The allergic reactions have been very minimal. It's like when I watched the first 2 million people, it was only about 10 to 15 people who had allergic reactions to it. So all in all, I'd urge everybody to get out there and take the vaccines.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.